Do you ever wake up in the morning and look in the mirror and realize, holy crap, I should really be taking care of my skin? Yep, I've had many of those moments. And if I told you I have a skincare routine that I stick to every single day, well, I would be lying. And I want to keep it real with you all. Sometimes I go to bed with my makeup on because I'm too tired to take it off. Or I'm just really lazy. But recently I've been trying my best to stick to a skincare routine and I've been doing pretty good so far. So I wanted to show you all, since you requested it, my skincare routine. So welcome to my everyday skincare routine. If you enjoy this, please let me know, leave a like, and I want to keep the comment section open to what you do for your skin and what works. So the first thing I do is start off by washing off all of that filth from my face. I've really been liking this brand Tata Harper because it's 100% free from GMO, it's non-toxic, there's no fillers or artificial colors or fragrances or synthetic chemicals. So I've been trying to go all natural and really just being conscious of what I'm putting on my skin, what am I exposing myself to. This is actually my second bottle of this regenerative cleanser and I use this on a daily basis. It has a really nice texture to it. It's not too grainy, but it does exfoliate. So I wash my entire face with this. All you gotta do is just rub it on your dry skin, rub it in, and I'll normally hop in the shower and rinse it off in the shower. So once my face is all squeaky clean, I like to put a toner on my face. And recently I have been trying out this hydrating floral essence from Tata Harper, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it's a little bit expensive. It's $89 for this one little bottle. And my mom actually taught me a trick that witch hazel is great for a toner. You can get a big old bottle of this and it'll last you much longer than this tiny little spritz. Just put it on a cotton swab and rub that all over your face. It removes excess dirt and it is a great toner. So just a little, little tip to help you save some money. I don't need to get all fancy with this floral essence, but I had to try it. I'll probably go back to witch hazel after this. So after we get that toner on, I like to either use a serum underneath my lotion, or I have been using this liquid collagen from Algenist. I'll just put a little bit on my hand and bat it into my skin. You don't want to pull any of your skin because that's how you are going to create some wrinkles in your face. So I don't use this every single day because I know that we produce collagen ourselves and I don't want to be reliant on this product, but a little boost helps maybe once a week. So this product is rich in omega-3s, 6 and 9s, and it's a natural source of vitamin E. You could also use a vitamin C serum here, depending on what your skin needs. But I've been really liking this product and it has lasted a long time. My husband uses it as well. And since we don't use it every single day, it's kind of just like our once a week thing. So once I've pushed all of that into my skin, just kind of like give a little slap to your face, pat it all in. Then we are ready to apply our moisturizer. So this is actually my second bottle of the restorative eye cream from Tata Harper. Can you tell I really like this brand? This little guy was very expensive as well. It was $98 just for this. Place a little bit on your finger and bat that together and tap it under your eyes and also around the top of your eyelids. Once you have moisturized your eyes, then I use the reparative moisturizer from, guess who? Tata Harper. So just put a little bit on your hands, rub it together, and just go ahead and give yourself a nice good tap. Tappa, all over your face. My mom always said, don't pull your skin, Tiffany. You'll get wrinkles. And every time I rolled my eyes, but now, thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom, because I'm a master tapper. Seriously though, I really do like this moisturizer. This bottle is $110, guys. Can you believe how much money this skincare is? Like, what the hell? But in all honesty, I really do like this moisturizer. It's very silky and light. It isn't heavy. It doesn't make me oily. And I just really like the way it moisturizes my face without any added oils. So if you're looking for an all-natural skincare product to splurge on, I would definitely try this reparative moisturizer. It's probably my favorite alongside with the eye cream. Last but not least, I will go in sometimes, not every single day, with another Algenist product. This is a liquid lip collagen, and I absolutely love this product. You can put it on when you're going to bed. All you need is one little twist, and that will cover your whole lips for that one application. It really does make my lips feel a little bit plumper, and it gets rid of any of the fine lines and just makes them overall juicy. Girl, I mean juicy. I have gone to bed wearing this and wake up in the next morning, and even my husband notices how juicy my lips look. So irresistible. But definitely, if you're looking for something for your lips, I would totally look into trying this out. It is $35, so it's the cheapest out of everything that I've used here, which is nice. So I place that all over my lips and I let it dry. Sometimes I'll place lipstick over it, sometimes I won't. Last but not least is something that I have been doing. Honestly, I can 100% say this for a very, very, very long time, ever since I was a little girl, is I love to moisturize my whole body, not just my face. Every single day I moisturize my entire body, because you can't just take care of one portion of your skin. You have to take care of your whole body. So I have tried many, many lotions over the years. I've tried Bath & Body Works. I've tried Lush for a long time. But to be honest with you, Lush products are a little bit pricey, and you get the same outcome with cocoa butter. A couple brands that I really like is the Alba Botanica. I just recently started using this brand right here, Palmer's, but I probably won't be purchasing this one again. I'm going to go back to the Alba Botanica because it is just so refreshing for your body, and it's like my skin is so thirsty. It just absorbs the lotion. It's not greasy, which I found sometimes a lot of Lush products will leave me greasy, but I really do love cocoa butter. It's simple, it's inexpensive, and it quenches my body's thirst. This girl over here is thirsty, okay? Her skin is thirsty. She needs a drink. So that is my everyday skincare routine, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this and found this helpful. If you did, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed, leave a comment down below on some of your favorite skincare products. I really do want to learn, so if you have a product that you absolutely love and stand by, leave a comment down below. We can learn from each other and share things, and I think it would just be a great way to build our little community. But thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Tiffy, and I will see you all later. Bye!